Welcome back to my channel. My name is Thayaba, and today I'll be doing some spring cleaning. With my handy dandy stool, I'm cleaning my countertops with the method cleaner. Now I move on to the microwave, and I'm just trying to get all the top surfaces that are hard to reach. Dust that's not visible to the eye gets trapped here, so you want to make sure you rub it really in like I'm doing now. Method cleaner spray really helps get the dirt from these surfaces off, so I highly recommend this spray. Now I moved on to the fridge, and I'm just cleaning some of the countertops, the fridge, and I don't know why I'm cleaning some of these decorations. Now I'm moving on to the lights, but you can't see it because the angle got cut off. Sorry about that. Yeah, you just want to clean where the lights are. Again, dust gets trapped there. Clean, clean, clean. Now let's move on to more countertops and just keep rubbing. That spray is very important. Just rub, 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 and hopefully this will be kept clean for about 6 months when I do the next cleaning, which is going to be in about November, December. You know, I just want to get every surface area that dust gets trapped, so I'm going to keep rubbing and scrubbing everywhere. And who knows how long this will take me, probably like a few hours. And you know, people might think this is fun to watch, but this is work, heavy, hard work for me. And I don't know, I kind of enjoy filming myself and letting other people watch it. So I hope you enjoy this video too. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you hit thumbs up and hit like. Now, here, I have these vents that is the ventilator under the microwave, and this helps get the air out. And you see all this dirt I'm trying to show you? It gets trapped here. This is basically oil from your foods and stuff. I'm using here vinegar and just pouring lots of vinegar, about, let's see how much. What is that? I can't see. I think that's a 1.5 cup, and I'm just pouring water and that vinegar mixture into this and letting it soak. For how long? Let's see. How long am I soaking this for? I guess I'm gonna keep running that water. Oh, I'm also putting Dawn soap in here, so you want to put a lot. I don't have any exact measurements per se, but you know, just a lot. This is that method all-purpose cleaner I was talking about earlier. Just wanted to show you a close-up. But here I'm spraying my rag, and now I'm trying to get below the countertops. I'm not really sure why I'm doing this because I usually mop my floors, but oh, I'm also doing under the fridge, under the microwave, you know, every little part I trying to clean so my house looks clean and shiny. But who knows, when people come over, I'm not even sure if they can tell how much I clean. But I guess this video is a proof of how much I clean my house and how long it takes for me to clean the house in general. Now I'm just cleaning the whole microwave inside and out, and I'm not really sure what I'm looking for. I think that's Nutella. Was that Nutella? Oh no, that was salt? Well, it was something. I just threw it out in the sink, and who knows what that was. Anyways, moving on to the stove, just clean, clean, clean. The countertops, the sides. Now I'm moving all of the decorations to the side. For some reason, I think I'm gonna start cleaning the countertops soon. Nope, that's what I'm doing. Cleaning the countertops, spray, another rag, just keeps cleaning that area. Cleaning the decorations and then putting them back in where they're supposed to. Oh my god, I love this jar. This jar, I have sweets and treats. It's mainly for dogs, but I actually use it to keep cookies for my kids. This is the oil container I use for oil. And oh, moving on to the sink, this is the container I keep all my clean dishes, just scrubbing it clean with some Dawn soap that I showed you earlier. Just scrub this in and then put it back into place. Now I'm cleaning all this area so I could use the method cleaner and just clean the countertops and then put everything back into place. Here I'm refilling the Dawn soap into this container, which actually looks like a regular hand soap. And so when people come over, they often mistake it for hand soap, and then they certainly realize it's actually for their dishes. Oh my god, that was Mustafa. He just randomly came on the countertop, but I had to remove him from the scene, you know, I'm recording. Now I'm cleaning for countertops, you know, just clean, clean, clean. Going back to the stove area and, you know, just cleaning outside of the stove, you know, necessary cleaning again. You know, I only clean like every 6 months or so. Oh my god, this towel is so pretty. It's so pink. It has bicycles. Alright, I'm so blessed to have these windows on the side. I use this to vent out any like air in the kitchen, so I'm just cleaning that. And now moving on to the dishwasher. Wow, this video is really fast. Cleaning the outside of the dishwasher with some steel spray. That's mainly to clean steel, and then using that same spray to clean the in front of my fridge. This is an amazing product, but it actually gets all these smudges and like all the dirt from the steel areas, so I really recommend this spray. Cleaning the water area of the fridge, the side of my fridge with the same spray and same rag. And now moving on to the vent. After it's been soaked for about 10 to 20 minutes, you're gonna come with a toothbrush and just scrub. Who knows for how long, but oh, it's clean now. Now I'm using more dish soap and keep scrubbing. Then you're gonna clean the tub out. I use some Ajax to clean the sink and just clean. Now I'm cleaning the stove top with a stovetop cleaner and a sponge. The sponge should have a abrasive side so you can scrub it off, and then you use a paper towel to just take off the chemicals, and then spray it again, clean again until it looks clean. Now, I have these clean vents. I'm just placing it back in and they keep falling out. Oops, it's probably because I can't see. Putting the second one in, and voila! They look so nice and clean. Moving on to the trash can. Using that same spray, clean inside and out, and my beautiful clean kitchen. Does it look cleaner than it was before? I think it looks the same, but I know I cleaned it. You know, that spring cleaning is done. Oh wait, I forgot to tell you that I have more places to clean. Here I'm cleaning the deck door with the same spray. Just spray, and just keep wiping. This is pretty standard. Everyone knows how to clean a window. I'm quite not sure why I'm filming this, but hey, I am. And it's probably cold outside, but I'm still gonna go in these clothes outside. I should have worn a jacket, but it's all good. It's clean. Now, moving on to the dining table. You know, I'm just going to clean this counter surface with that same spray, and I'm also cleaning the chairs apparently. And if there's something on, I'm also flipping them over and just making sure I clean every little part. I recommend you doing this maybe once or twice a year, you know, just to make sure everything is clean. And if children spill something, you can actually get it during this time. I don't know if I'm using the same spray, but I think this is a special spray for wood surfaces. Maybe comment down below, and if you ask me, I'll let you know, because I really can't remember right now. But if I had done a close-up of this product, I would have told you. Moving on to the kitchen floor, I'm just sweeping here as you normally would do. And just moving back to the rest of the dining room area, sweeping, more sweeping. Oh, I'm wearing socks. Look at those gray socks. Nice. At least I think I should have worn slippers, but I didn't. That's a lot of dirt. Good job. Now just sweep it, put it in the duster, and throw it out. Now I'm using a swiper just to swipe the floors, you know, get every little corner, and just move on to the wood floors. Oh, look, there's Amna in the back. She's trying to talk to me with Mustafa. Maybe they're playing a game or something. You know, kids will be kids. Keep cleaning the floor, keep going. I don't know how long this footage is of me cleaning the floor, but you know, this might be interesting for people to watch. Anyways, taking the chairs down, I think they're dry now. Let me just put them back. Oh, I get why I did that. I did that so they wouldn't be in the way when I mop the floor. That makes sense. Now I'm just cleaning the decorations, putting the napkins in, and put it on the table. I think that setting was really nice. Doing the same thing for all the storage area I have here, cleaning the glasses and etc. Yes, I do have a lot of snacks in those cabinets. They're mainly for kids when they go to school, and it's a really good thing to have a separate compartment in the kitchen area for Just moving on to more countertops. I'm not really sure what to call this area. It's just basically the entranceway of the living room and the kitchen and dining area, but just cleaning on the decorations and getting all that dirt out and using a rag like always and the spray I was using. Hopefully this shot is much shorter because I'm running out of things to say. Yeah, just clean the glass and decorations and just place them back. Alright, moving on. I have this sweeping thing for dust. I'm just trying to clean the spider webs and dust off the ceiling. Just want to make sure no spider falls on my kids when they're sitting down. Cleaning this fireplace area, the mirror, the candles, and all around the fireplace. This area is actually really nice. I have yet to light the fireplace, so one day I will need to clean that up, but right now just cleaning the outside candles. Moving on to the corners and other areas in this living room, tables, and just getting ready to vacuum this area. Just moving everything out so when I vacuum, I can get the back of this sofa. These are really nice reclining chairs and really great for this room. Whenever someone comes over, they always compliment my sofas. And yeah, again, just taking out that sofa, getting the back of it. Kids like to eat here, and when you eat somewhere, food falls, so I have to make sure I get the behind of the sofa. Just vacuuming like I usually do, and just putting back the table where it belongs. And now I'm using these leather wipes to maintain my reclining chairs. This makes the leather shine and keep them basically solid. Going back to vacuuming the floors in the living room, and keep on vacuuming until you get behind everything, because again, dust gets trapped there. Spiders like to live in these areas, so making sure you clean these areas once in a while. Moving on to the TV area, I'm just wiping everything, all the decoration. You guys like my bow? I got this really cute bow for Forever 21 with my sister, and I think it really looks cute and complements my outfit. Oh, now moving on to swiping the floors. Just make sure you use a brand new wipe because these get dried out really fast. I'm gonna just keep wiping the floors like I've been doing, and just make sure you get every little corner. And now here's the final look. This is my living area. The sofas are clean, the ceilings are clean, the candles are on. Doesn't that look pretty? The candles really complements the mirror and the color of the fireplace and the floors. I just love this area. I think I need to decorate it more, but maybe I'll do that another day. Look, more candles and more decorations. I really love that home message. Now moving on to my dining area. This is all clean now. Turn the light on, nice and clean. Kitchen, I showed you this already, but here's another clip of it again. And back to the living room. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you hit a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe down below, and have a good day.